Hello everyone, I will be showing you how to screen record with your voice in it. Hopefully this is helpful. If it is helpful, leave a like. Sorry for the echo, My dog, I just had to let him out real fast. Okay, so, how will you screen record? So, you first have to go to settings, go to control center under general, go to customize controls, and it should be down here if you don't already have it in your included. But so how you add stuff is you just press the plus on it and it'll go up. I don't want alarm, so I'm just going to remove it. But so now that you have screen recording, so you swipe up with your you guys know how to swipe up, sorry, I'm not even going to explain that. So now you should be having this thing at the bottom of your like screen type thing. So you click on it, you hold it down, and it should say this, but what it should show is microphone off. You just press it. I'm gonna press it, and that turns it on and off. I just turned my voice off for a second because I want to show you guys. Then you can go off, and then you can screen record. What I do, you just hold it down. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you hold it down and then like pull your fingers sideways a little. Helps me sometimes. So yeah, hopefully this video was good. Now you can screen record with background music stuff and your voice. If this video was helpful to you, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.